Electric onboard radio control motor starter. A few years ago, my memory still taking me back to the 7th of January 2014. As any other boy, I could not wait to go to the club and fly my new beautiful radio control plane. So I pleaded my dad to start one of my new planes. How little we knew about safety and how to start a plane correctly. One little mistake could lead up to a very big tragedy. With any plane you need a controller, but at that time, 4 years ago, we did not know that. My story should be the warning to all radio control hobby newbies. That was a moment when everything went wrong. I was paralyzed by the picture of my dad injuring himself, bleeding after a prop hit him. Firstly, I would like to start off by taking a step back in time of how electric starters came to our life. So it would be easier to understand the importance of an onboard starter. Charlie Ketron, co-founder of Bate Engineering Laboratories Company in the issue US Patent number 1,150,523 for this engine starting device, the first electric ignition device for automobile on August 17, 1915. In the early years of an automobile driver used his iron hand crank to start the engine. It required great hand and arm strength, plus was full of risk. There was a risk of car backfiring or rolling forward, as most cars at that time didn't have brakes. You probably will ask, why did I start with the car electric ignition device? This is done for the reason of simplifying the understanding of mechanisms. We did not have a starter, did not make enough research to avoid the problem. Going back to the accident, it was always my best intention to make starting processes safer and easier for RC plane users. My thinking process set up a few goals for me. New procedure should help to keep RC plane users' fingers off prop. New producers should help to stay behind the airplane during startup. New procedures should help to restart airplane engine in the air if engine will turn off. My 3 goals made me think about auto start. Systems of gasoline engines. The idea is to adapt the system to other engines. I would like to bring you to attention to my first 70cc twin-cylinder gas engine auto start system. The idea is to adopt the system as a solution. The unit I am talking about is coming with a brush can motor to drive the starter. My issue will be to use a system which can be too big for the plane. I use the 30 to 35cc size use of 480 can motor, and the 50 to 60cc size used at 550 can motor. The issue of overheating can cause engines issue. However, this issue can be resolved as well. By waiting a little and letting engine cool down, no instructions are coming with this idea. New idea requires new tools. This is a diagram of auto start gasoline engine. There will be need making special tools to remove the prop, get it off. So far, we don't have this tool. This is how the end project should be looking. Solution was found. The imagination has no ends. Thank you for listening.